Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how nature is a really good thing. See? Around the place there's like loads of nature and stuff. All of us love nature, don't we? So if we don't like nature, then if we like nature, we should treat it really good. We should feed nature, we should look after nature, make sure nature doesn't get dead, water nature, everything. We don't want to let nature fall down apart like that, and then there's no nature. We want it to be like that, right here. So everybody watching, hey, love